How you all doing, my brothers and sisters? Woo, it's people. Guys, today we're checking, we're gonna do a vegan cereal review. That's what we're having today. So we're checking on by the brand of Nature's Path, the Leapin Lemurs. Check it out, guys. This is one angle I will share with you. Leapin Lemurs. This flavor is peanut butter and chocolate, and it's organic. And it has 8 grams of sugar, no artificial flavors or colors, gluten-free. And they say here, enter for the chance to win a trip to LA. So inside, the details for that is on the back, something about the movie of Dr. Dolittle. So this is non-GMO, no GMO product, 284 grams. And it has no high fructose, And the ingredients are cornmeal, whole grain, cane, sugar, peanut butter, molasses, cocoa powder, sea salt, soy oil, natural chocolate flavor, and a lot of good stuff in, guys. So, guys, you're getting the real deal here. Check out now on the nutritional fact. For every 3/4 cup, you're getting 160 gram calories, fat 2, cholesterol 0, sodium 115, carbohydrate 25, fibers 2, sugar 8, proteins 2, vitamin A and C, and calcium 0, but with milk is a little more, iron 2. Guys, this is 100% organic, and this brand also, they work, guys, with to save the environment. So they also like for example, every time you buy one of these boxes, some of that 1% of that purchase goes to save the different kind of animals, you know, for the cost of preserving, especially those kind of animals that are in danger of extinction. But guys, this is a good deal. It's environmental. So now, guys, let's give it a try. The price for these was $3.97. Let's check it out. Right. Leaping Lemur. Leap. All right. Leaping Lemurs. Let's try without milk first. So check it out, guys. There's like 2 colors. So I believe this one is a little lighter. This should be the peanut butter flavor. And this other one should be the chocolate. You see? And they look smaller than the Cocoa Puff. Way smaller. Let's check it. Wow. Right, they're puffy. Not very salt, not very sweet. Not too sweet. It's so between that, they have a good amount of peanut butter flavor, and the chocolate flavor is still good. But I think also have molasses on it, so it's a little, how do you say, the flavor that comes a little, is speaking a little more, I think should be the molasses between the 3 flavors, but it's still well balanced, still very good, guys. So let's try it now with the milk. Let's see what it's gonna change now. All right, let's try it. activate with the milk. I don't know. So now I think when I put the milk, it activates the peanut butter flavor. Now the peanut butter flavor is the one picking. The one higher flavor now is the peanut butter flavor. Okay. Very good, guy. It tastes practically like cream, peanut butter cream. Very good, guy. I think this is pretty good, guys. I was looking for a healthy alternative lately. I was looking for something a little different to review also. You know, we're trying to go a little more beyond in the cereal review, see what I can find. And I come up with this. Say, man, give it a shot. And I think this is vegan. This is what it says here, vegan. Vegetariano in francés. Vegetariano in Spanish, vegetariano. In English, vegan. So let's give this vegan Leapin Lemurs peanut butter chocolate. Let's give them a nice solid 9.1. 9.1, guys, pretty nice. It's pretty nice flavor, pretty nice texture, pretty nice experience that I have. So I think I will buy it again. I recommend it, highly recommend it. Give it a shot, guys. You have a chance. You say made in United States. I think you can also get it. You know, there's a chance that you might be able to get it in different kind of supermarkets and health food stores. I think you might be able to find it also in health food stores. Give it a shot. Guys, and don't forget to subscribe and give me some love. And remember, together we're strong. Let's make our community more stronger. Subscribe. Let's subscribe and click that like button. And I'll be seeing you guys soon. Take care. Bye-bye.